Okay, we are on to the rear main install. We have we've got the back of our O3 motor here. You can see that we've already done some prep work. We've cleaned the block surface. We have made sure that the crank is all nice and cleaned. We went ahead and polished it up. We tapped out the old seal. So this is the old rear main. We have our seal, adapter, not adapter. It's the protector. It's the guide so that when we put this on there, it won't booger the seal. We've taken some RTV plus the seal that came with our seal kit, RTV both sides, and then we hit our little 8 mil bolts with some blue Loctite. I don't think that you have to, but it's in a terrible spot, so we're going all out on this because you don't want to have to pull your rear trans adapter just to fix a leaking rear main seal. So when you're doing this, take your time, get it right so that you don't have to come back into it. So again, we've cleaned everything up. We've tapped in. We used a small punch. We punched the old seal out. It was a booger to get out on the old one. The new ones come out much easier. We then used the tool that comes with it. I'll show you that in just a second once I get these two bolts started. We used the new tool to tap the new seal in. We cleaned everything back up, and then it's just like the front main. So we're going to take this guy, and let me see if I can hold it there. So we're going to take this guy, and we're going to kind of line it up with the crank, and this also says install lip dry. So we are just going to kind of ooch it. It is a snug fit because you're going over that protector. Just ooching it over. Sorry if my camera angle is bad there. Okay, come to this side of it. Sorry about the close-up on the camshaft. I was getting it off-center a little bit. Okay. And there she goes. The seal adapter will come right off. And you can go ahead and start your 8 mil bolts. I'm going to go ahead and stick this on pause. I'm going to start my 8 mil bolts all the way around, put my blue Loctite, and I've already pre-cleaned the bolts. I've got them sitting right here, my blue Loctite, and then I'm going to go ahead, because you want to make sure, you want to make sure that you don't have your seal poking out anywhere. And sometimes you need two hands to realign it. And that's why the RTV is nice, is it keeps everything in place too. And it looks gorgeous. Okay, I'll come back in just a second with these bolts in, and we'll pick up from there. All right, so I went and grabbed the tool real quick just so you could see. When it's done, the tool, just like on the front crankshaft seal, the front seal there, it will bottom out, and that is a handy dandy tool right there. I'm glad they come with them. So we have the torque spec for these bolts is 7 feet-pounds. So you can figure 7 feet-pounds, it's about 84-ish inch-pounds, which is what I've got to use here because I don't have a torque wrench that is going to go low enough for 7 feet-pounds. So there we are. So 80, there's 100. So we're just going to take this guy. Matter of fact, I'll take that off to speed up the process. And right. So we've got our torque wrench set. Just gonna do a take it in kind of steps. There it goes. There it goes. There we are. Okay. All right, there we are. So we have our rear main install, a rear main seal install complete. Light coat of RTV black on it on both sides to help keep things in line. Torque spec for the bolts, if you're looking for that, is 7 feet-pounds, or about 84 inch-pounds. All right. We will see you on the next little piece, which is the trans adapter install.